Hello YouTube and typewriter people, my name is Joe and you're watching my channel Ink&Iron, and I'm back today with a typewriter video, and this one is focused on the keyboard. So as you may or may not know, I just learned how to touch type last year. It was a project that I took on. I never learned as a kid how to touch type. That was my own doing. I never put in the work, and so I finally did it last year, and I love the ability to type without looking at the keyboard. Oh man, this would have really come in handy in college. Anyway, I am having trouble returning my fingers back to the home row position. So that is left index finger on the F key and right index finger on the J key. With keys like this, there are no bumps in order to locate your fingers on the keyboard just by touch alone. And so I was wondering, how do I go about putting bumps on my F and J keys? And I decided to Google it and see if there was a product already made for this purpose. And in fact, there is. And I'm going to read to you what it is, show it to you, and I'm going to read all of the packaging that comes with it, just in case you are vision impaired or blind and you need a product like this. I don't always do sort of vision impaired content, but for this one it seemed appropriate. So what I'm going to put on my F and J keys here are these. These are called color dots. Color-dots is what these are called. Tactile key locators by Ryzen. They say a difference you can feel. They are essentially little adhesive stickers with a bump on them. So they are transparent. They are very nice and bumpy, sort of like Braille dots, and they have an adhesive backing, so you don't actually have to do any extra steps to adhere them to your keyboard. Although I would recommend maybe wiping with something like isopropyl alcohol or something like that for the best adhesive properties that you can get. So let's take a look at the packaging here. Increases productivity and decrease keyboard errors by touch. The uses of this product include computers and keyboards, typewriters, business machines, tape recorders, telephones, dashboards, instrumentation, keys on keychains, alarm clocks, knobs, and buttons. The pack includes 6 adhesive-backed raised dots that can be used as reference points on all types of key buttons and knobs. And they are called color dots, that is color-dots, distributed by Ryzen Incorporated. They're located at 42 Executive Boulevard, Farmingdale, New York, zip code 11735. If you need to call them, call 800-522-6284 or visit www.maxiaids.com. That's MAXIAIDS.com. So yeah, if you're vision impaired, I hope these help you out. Or if you're like me and you just need a easy way to locate your home row on your typewriter, this is a great solution. I'm just gonna, let's read the copy here. So the inside of this pamphlet says, "Now feel the difference. Our dots are clean, attractive reference points that, easily installed, will attune your fingers to a complex computer keyboard. Place the dots on the J key and the F key of your keyboard to guide your fingers to the home positions without taking eyes off work." That's exactly what I was looking for. Your pack includes 6 clear plastic adhesive-backed raised dots. To install, number 1, make sure the key surface is dust and oil-free. Yeah, looking good right now. Bend the sheet until the dots pull away from backing. Avoid contact with adhesive back. Press onto selected home keys, so the F key and the J key. Allow 3 hours setup time before use. Oh, that's good to know. I was going to use them right away. The adhesive strengthens over time. Benefits will increase with use. Think of other applications that will make your life easier, such as placing them on adding machines, dashboard controls, or even on the sides of your car or house keys to help distinguish and position them in the dark. You can place color dots anywhere or on anything you wish to distinguish or operate by touch. Great. Okay, so now I'm going to get a little alcohol pad and clean the F and J keys, and then I'm going to adhere these. So I have this little Kroger branded alcohol swab. These are great and they come in packs of 100. Highly recommended for cleaning your phone screens and such. And I'm just using them to clean the top surface of my F key and my J key. I have cleaned this keyboard extensively. It was quite dirty when it came to me initially, but I know that proper surface preparation is important for adhesion. So we're just going to make sure these are nice and clean, and then wave my hand over it to get a little breeze going and dry them off. Okay, so now we take this little sheet of 6 dots and I'll bend it until I can get the edge of 2 of these dots up. Okay, and I need to make sure I'm not touching the back side of them too much. Okay, here comes 1 dot. I'm going to try and grip it by the edges. They're not perfectly perforated, so you may have to work at it a little bit to get it off the sheet. All right. And I'm just going to place it over the J key. Make sure it's not overhanging. There we go. And then press it down. Okay. Oh yeah, that's going to be awesome. And we'll go ahead and do the other one. Okay, those are a bit trickier to handle once they are off the little sheet than I was expecting. So if you are vision impaired, if you can get assistance with placing these on things, I would do so. Not that you're incapable, you're just going to have a harder time. Alright, and let's get a look at these. They're very subtle. It's nice that they are see-through, so I can still read the key that I'm looking at, but now I'll be able to find it with just a simple touch of my finger. And that's all I was looking for. Okay, so it's only been about 10 minutes, but these dots feel fairly secure. I'm just going to do a quick typing test, and then I will let them cure the rest of the way before I do any extensive writing on here. So let's see, let's do a pangram. And I do have to replace this ribbon. So Sphinx of black quartz. I think it's judge my vow. That should be every letter I'm able to type. And it feels good. Give you a look at my writing sample. I do need to change this ribbon. Yeah. Cool, great. I've been doing a lot of typing tests on this as I've been cleaning up the machine, and it's going well. Alright, well there you have it. Loc-Dots, which is kind of an interesting name for a product that's completely transparent, but there you go. And these are only, for a 6-pack, $1.75 plus shipping, so not too bad. And if you have need of them, I think they will really come in handy for you. I've been Joe. You've been watching my channel, Ink&Iron, for more typewriter related content, as well as multi-tools and everyday carry kind of stuff. That's what I do around here. Feel free to subscribe, like the video, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.